Hello you two, welcome to Narrative for Thursday the 23rd of April. Okay, so today I'd like you to click on that link again and watch the video of the story to remind yourself. So pause this video and have a look for that one. Off you go. Okay, now that that video is fresh in our mind, the story, can we read our Can I question together? Can I create a character? That means, can I make my own character? There's lots of characters in our story, but we're going to make our own character today. So I'd like you to think now, where else could Jim look for monsters in his bedroom? So he's looked behind the curtain, he's looked under the chair, he's even looked in the wardrobe. Can you think of any other places that he might want to look to find monsters? Pause the video here. Okay, so I just wanted to share some of my ideas with you. So I thought that he could look in the washing basket, or behind the radiator, or under the windowsill. Did you have any ideas of your own? Okay, so it's time to create our own character now. And I wanted you to watch a video with Chris Riddell. That's the man who wrote this book that we've been looking at, Mr. Underbed. And in this video, he shows us how he creates his own character. So I want you to go to this link now and watch his short video to give you an idea about how you're going to create your character. Okay, when you've watched that video, that's given you some ideas about what you need to think about when you're trying to create your character. So I've had a go at creating my own character. And I've decided that this character is going to have an umbrella stuck to its head in case it rains. And it's going to have really long legs because this character lives in a swamp and it's got to wade through the muddy water all the time. It's got some big teeth here so that it can catch lots of fish in the swamp, and 2 eyes on sticks so it can see in all directions, and big flipper feet for its swimming. That's my monster. Pause the video here, have a really good think. And I want you to grab yourself a piece of paper and see if you can get creative and draw me your monster character. Off you go. Okay, so hopefully you've got your monster. Well done. Now, I'd like you to have a think about some adjectives, some describing words that you could use to describe your monster. Have a really good think looking at the picture that you've drawn. How could you describe your monster? Okay, so I thought about what my monster looked like at first, and I've written here fuzzy and furry. I think this green part's going to be fur. And then I thought about what kind of monster it's going to be with its personality, how it's going to be to other people, and if it's going to be friendly or not. So I wrote some really fun words. Greedy, charming. So this monster is really charming and people really like him. Cunning, because he makes plans. People like him, but actually I think he's a bit mean underneath it all. I think he's secretly a bit mean. He's inventive, because he's got this umbrella here, so he didn't want to get wet, so he invented something to help him. And I've written this word here. He's ingenious. That sort of means the same thing as inventive. It means that he solves problems. It's raining, he's solved it by making himself an umbrella hat. So he's also ingenious. What kind of monster is your monster? Around your picture, I'd like you to write some adjectives to describe your monster for me. Off you go. Okay, when you've got your finished character profile, you've drawn your picture, and you've written some adjectives around the side, upload it to Class Dojo and let's see who's got the most fun and exciting monster. Go, go, go.